Hello everyone! Today we are going to install the DeForum extension for Stable Diffusion both on Colab and locally on your machine. With the DeForum extension you can create amazing and captivating 2D and 3D animations which are based on keyframes built using prompt descriptions. I'm assuming you already know how to initialize Stable Diffusion both on Colab and on your machine. If not, you can have a look at my previous videos. I left a link down in the description. Installing DeForum is pretty straightforward. We'll face some issues and we'll see how to overcome them. Let's start with Google Colab. Once you initialize Stable Diffusion on Google Colab, this is the main interface you will get. In order to install the DeForum extension, but also to install other type of extensions, you need to simply go into this tab called Extensions. And here you have other three tabs. In the install one, you will see a list of extensions you have already downloaded, and you can also check for updates if there are any. But the tab we are more interested in is the Available tab. Here you can load a list of extensions you can download just using this extension index URL. When you initialize Stable Diffusion and you go into this tab, you should have already the link in there. So the only thing you need to do is just click on Load From. And here you will see you have a list of extensions. So you can install all of them if you want, but in this case we want to install the DeForum one, which in my case is at the bottom of the page and is here, DeForum tab animation. We just want to click on Install. Easy. We wait for it to be installed. Okay, we go back up and then we dive into the Install tab again. And here now we can see that we have an additional extension at the top of this table, which is DeForum for Automatic 1111. Great. Now we should just press this Apply and Restart UI. Let's see what happens. Reloading. Now what we would expect is to have a new tab here at the top called DeForum. But we don't have it and we actually have an error. So let's go back on our Colab notebook and see what this error is. So going back, actually here we don't see any error. So what we can do, we can stop running this Start Stable Diffusion section and run it again. Okay, we can see that now an error is rising. What does it say? Failed to import ControlNet, no such file or directory. Is giving us a directory here. Port for ControlNet will not be activated. So what does it mean? This means that it's expecting to see a models folder inside this DeForum for Automatic 1111 webui. Now let's go in our drive. So we go into Stable Diffusion webui, Extensions, DeForum for Automatic 1111 webui. Here is the folder, and inside this folder we should see this models folder, which is not here. So that's why there is an error. So what we have to do, create a folder called model and insert some models inside with checkpoints or safe tensors extension, or something we can do easier. We can go in the ControlNet Extension folder, get the model folder and copy it into this folder. Now with Google Drive you cannot copy and paste folders, but you can create links to folders. So let's go back to extensions and we go into this SD webui ControlNet. And actually here you can see this models folder. So what we can do, right click on here and we add a link to Drive. Now I'm sorry, this is in Italian. I'll put the text on top. So we drive into my drive, SD, Stable Diffusion webui, and then we go into Extensions, DeForum for Automatic 1111 webui, which is where we want to add this link, and then we press this button, which is Add. Now let's go back into Extensions, DeForum, and we can see here we have this model folder now. What we have to do, we need to go back to our Colab notebook. We stop this running and we run it again. Great, already we don't have the same error as we had before. It seems to be working. Okay, let's click on this URL and ta-da! We can see the DeForum here, the DeForum tab. So now everything is working here. We are able to use DeForum and to create these 2D and 3D animations using Google Colab, which usually is way quicker than using Stable Diffusions locally on your machine. So great. Now we want to do the same, but locally. Usually the process you need to follow is exactly the same. So once you initialize Stable Diffusion running the webui file, you will need to follow exactly the same steps. So you go into extensions, you go into available and load from. Exactly the same. Doesn't matter whether you have Windows, whether you have Mac, this should work. I'm using the Mac at the moment and I'm telling you, in my case, it's not working. I'll show you why. So this is my local Stable Diffusion. If I go into extensions, available, and I press load from, you can see I get this error. What does this mean? It's asking me to approve some certificates with Python. Now, usually you can already take this issue by going into the Python folder and running the install certificate file. I'll show you how. So in theory, in the Mac, you go into applications or wherever you have your Python folder, you go into Python, you need to make sure that the version of Python is exactly the same as the one you're running Stable Diffusion with. And then you see there is this file, maybe you can see better like that, install certificates command, and you just need to double click on this. The terminal will open, it will install upgrade certify, and then when you rerun your Stable Diffusion again, this should work. Now, again, for me, this doesn't work. If you sorted this issue, please let me know. If not, I have a shortcut, which is not very elegant, I know, but it works, which is what matters. So what I will do, I will git clone the DeForum extensions from the GitHub repository, and then I will move the model from the ControlNet folder to the DeForum extension folder, as I did before for Colab. Where do we want to git clone this DeForum extension is the extension folder. So go into Stable Diffusion folder and then Stable Diffusion webui, and then I go into extensions. And here is where I want to git clone my DeForum extension. To do that, I will use the terminal to dive into this extension folder and then to git clone from the repository. I'm going to use Warp, which I love because the interface is amazing and it helps you a lot when diving into folders, but you feel free to use the default terminal or whichever other software you want. So let's see where we are, typing the ls command, and then let's start diving into the folder. My folder is on the desktop, so we'll use cd command to dive into desktop. He already knows that I have done Stable Diffusion, and then he knows that I have Stable Diffusion webui, and then I have the extension. You see, Warp, it's amazing. Let's make sure we are there, ls again, and we can see what's in the extension folder, which is this SD webui and this text file, which is exactly what I have here if we double check. Now, this is the GitHub repository where I want to get my DeForum extension, so I will go into code, and then I'm going to copy this SSH link. I'll go back into my terminal and I'll type git clone and paste this link and press enter. Okay, done. Now we can go back into our folder to double check if we have downloaded it. Extension, and here you go, we have this DeForum for Automatic 1111 webui. Great. What is missing here though is that model folder we were expecting before in Colab as well. So we go into this Stable Diffusion webui ControlNet folder we have inside the extensions folder, and we need to copy and paste this models folder inside the DeForum folder, so in here. Now, if you don't have this folder, what you have to do, you need to go into this repo Stable Diffusion Web UI ControlNet, you go into Code, you copy this link, then you go back into your terminal, you dive into your extensions folder, and then you git clone here, and you press enter. So once you have done this folder here will appear. Inside this models folder, you won't have saved tensors or checkpoints or anything, which you need to download. To do that, you can go into Hugging Face into this link here, ControlNet modules, saved tensors, and you have some ControlNet extensions. You have Kenny, Dapt, you have some. You can install all of them, just one, they are quite useful. So for now, I just downloaded one of them, which is Scribble, I think, or maybe no. Oh no, I downloaded Kenny. And then you need to transfer the downloaded extension from your downloads folder to this folder here into models. And then what we have to do, or we copy and paste this folder into the DeForum folder, otherwise we just move this like this. Actually, we can just copy. Where is it? Copy. We go into DeForum, we create a folder, we call it models, and then we paste it here. Boom, like this. Okay, we go back into our terminal, we go into the Stable Diffusion Web UI folder, and we run again this Web UI file. And now we have the forum here. Great. And yeah, that's it for today. I hope this was useful. Enjoy creating your 2D, 3D animations. I will do the same, and have a good day. See you at the next video. Bye.